Which one of the following best describes the bills of rights? Bills of rights ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Fundamental rights. So this was a question which has been already asked in the many examination. Okay, it's the list of rights mentioned and protected by the constitution. This is the right answer. ಭಾರತ, ಸೊ US ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. 92 ವಿತ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ 14 ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಲೇ ಡೌನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇನ್ ನೇಚರ್. ಸೊ ನೋ, there is no fundamental right which is absolute in nature. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ absolute ಇಲ್ಲ. there is this article 14 also has certain exceptions. ಏನು exceptions ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. article 14ಗೆ article 361 ಪ್ರಕಾರ the president and the governor cannot be arrested for criminal or civil cases, okay, when they are in the office, right? So ambassadors, okay, cannot be prosecuted under the criminal cases or civil cases. And then the UN dignitaries, okay, cannot be arrested or detained, right? All these provisions are exceptions to article 14. And also under article 105 of the Indian constitution, see the privileges, there are certain privileges to MP and MLAs, okay, so they cannot be arrested during the before the 40 days of the session and after the 40 days of the session in the civil cases. So and they cannot be asked to be a witness in the court during those period. Okay, all these things are exceptions to article 14. So hagagi the statement 2 is wrong, only one is correct. 93 the fundamental duties in the Indian constitutions are inspired by USA. Simple question. 94 which of the following articles of the constitution explicitly provides for doctrine of judicial review? Article 13 ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? Article 13 specifically mentions that if any law is inconsistent with the part 3 of the Indian constitution, that law can be declared as null and void by the judiciary. So for that reason article 32 talks about judicial review. 13 talks about judicial review. So which of the following is correct with respect to 73rd and 74th Constitutional Amendment Act? The amendment came into force in 1993. The amendment has brought democratic decentralization. All the states have the uniform PRI structure. Not all the states have the uniform PRI structure, but however in certain states where the population is less, we have given 2-tier structure also. It is not, but however largely most of the states have the uniform structure. Next, 96 consider the following statement. 73rd and 74th Constitution. 1/3 of the positions of all panchayat institutions are reserved for women. Correct ಇದೆ. So the institutions of the panchayats are held regularly for every 5 years. The elections shall be conducted by the Election Commission of India. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? State Election Commission. The elections are conducted by State Election Commission. So this statement is wrong. So 1 and 2 are correct. Next, which of the following are the provisions of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1992? ಯಾವುದು ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ಸು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ 1992 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 73rd ಅಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಕಮಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ 73rd. ಸೊ 3-tier ಪಂಚಾಯತ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಎರಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next, consider the following statement with respect to amending the Constitution of India. Okay, similar to the ordinary law, simple majority in the parliament, no, this is wrong. Special majority in the parliament in both the house sitting separately, this is right. Special majority plus half of the states under article 368, yes, this is also right. So 2 and 3 is the right answer. 99 which of the following article can be amended by simple majority? Article 2 and 3 can be amended by simple. So article 2 and 3 ಅಲ್ಲ, article 1 to 3 can be amended by simple majority. Basic structure, ಮತ್ತೆ basic structure ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. I hope you will answer this question. I need not have to go through into the question. After the basic structure ruling, the parliament does not have the power to amend the constitution. ಇಲ್ಲ, parliament has the power to amend the constitution, but however without altering the basic structure of the constitution. So statement 1 is wrong. The Supreme Court has given a list of basic features of the constitution which cannot be amended. This is right. The judiciary has the power to decide whether an amendment violates the basic structure or not. This is also right. The Kejavananda Bharati ruling sets clear limits on the parliamentary power to amend the constitution. This is also right. So 2, 3 and 4. This is the right answer.